here at the Catalina yacht stand at Annapolis Boat Show 2010. We're going to have a tour of the new 445. This boat was released in 2009. Already they've made and sold over 60 of this particular model. It's a great new boat from Catalina Yachts. I particularly like the new tow rail on the Catalina 445. Great for towing fenders and other bits and pieces. And it has a stainless steel rub rail just below the tow rail. Drink holders right near the steering wheels is great. Great chart plotter here, right where you can see everything. It's swivel so you can see the chart plotter from both sides. Good deep anchor well here in the 445 with a dual stowage area, so you can actually run 2 anchors and 2 warps, and a double anchor stowing facility. That's really good. One of the unique features of the 445 is this centre cleat here and the owners with the ropes to come in. We're in the V-berth now of the Catalina 445. And around to the port side here we've got this lovely bathroom and the shower. On the starboard side we've got cupboards, hanging locker, lots of light and air. This bed lifts up electrically so that you can sit up in bed and read the paper. In the saloon. And the table can be either a coffee table or a dining table. Table has a facility for putting a laptop in here, which is really a new feature. All the nav equipment and the electrical panel is behind this lovely door like that. Second cabin on the starboard side in the rear. It's on a bit of an angle so you can get in both sides. There's a hang locker here. Good head height, good ventilation. This room here has dual access from the rear cabin. The rear cabin on the port side, which can be 2 single cabins or it can be a double cabin. The stainless steel opening door in the fridge. It's really good. Double sinks, stove and oven, and range hood.